I am so excited to be sharing with you Riley the Brave Makes It to School. We're going to take a peek inside. Some days we wake up ready to face the day, but some days maybe you and the brave cubs in your life wake up feeling like a grumpy porcupine, not wanting to get out of bed, not wanting to go to school. What we see in the Riley story is a lot of playfulness, acceptance, curiosity, and empathy that help Riley find his way back to his happy thoughts, back to his upstairs brain that will help him find his way to school. Included also are some tools that you can use with the brave cubs in your life, including the love mark and some breathing exercises to just help you when those big feelings pop back up. Spoiler alert, Riley does make it to school, and in the back of the book, you'll find an afterword for grown-ups full of tips and tricks for you and the kids you care about. I hope you love it. Find it wherever books are sold, as well as check it out from the library. If they don't have it yet, request it, and that way more brave cubs can share this good adventure.